I got interested in extension, I guess, because to me it seemed like it would be an opportunity to always be exposed to something new and be around new information and to always be learning and the opportunity to help folks.
Part of the way I describe my job is being a liaison from research on campus to the producers out in the field. The reason why that's important is not everything is going to work for every farmer, or we might need to modify it a little bit in order for them to implement a method or technology on their farms. That might increase their production, might make it more efficient, or maybe we have to think a little bit more outside the box.
We need to make sure that we are staying on top of current cutting-edge technology in agriculture and other fields, and how can we use electronics or other types of technology to improve our productivity in the state. So a way that we can reach that goal, I think, is to help producers be more efficient. Again, beef cattle is a big part in our state, and forage as well is a big component of that. And so can we use our forage resources more efficiently through grazing systems, incorporating different forages? And it's not all about producing more, but maybe more efficiently producing a product, beef or lamb or whatever the product that the producer is growing and trying to raise.
We've gotten very efficient in agriculture, but the population keeps growing. So we need to do a lot of listening and finding out what certain producers and consumers are receptive to. Missouri has a lot of great opportunities. We have really great resources and we need to keep those around.
Missouri's greatest strength is its producers and their resiliency to come back from whatever gets thrown at them. It's amazing the way that they are adaptable and resilient to keep coming back and trying to improve and do better.